Hi, I'm Ashley K. Spear, owner and executive chef of Southern with a French Twist. We're a culinary company located in Central Texas. Our mission is to provide inspiration, events, and services to help you prioritize gathering around your table. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next dinner, need meal prep for those busy nights, or if you're having a special dinner party at your house and you want to focus on the guests, Southern with a French Twist has you covered. Some of my favorite memories from when I was a little girl was in my Mimi and Granddad's kitchen. I would pick all the ingredients in the pantry just based off of their color, and they ate it every time. Then I started reading recipes and collecting cookbooks, and today nothing makes me happier than cooking a gourmet meal for people and gathering around the dinner table. Don't let the stress of pulling together a dinner party, not knowing what recipes to cook, or not even knowing how to cook stop you from gathering people in your home. From the memories of my childhood to the dinner parties I host now, I realize the passion of hospitality and cooking that I have is a gift that I've been blessed with. Lots of people have the desire to gather, but get intimidated with the execution, so they don't. That's why I've made it my life's work to use my gifts to help people get together around the dinner table.